Congratulations to Colaz Smith TV. Big up yourself, my boss. See, who God bless no man curse. After you see what them go on with on social media, I go on like them one clown the boss. I say the man show up at airport. I try to book a US flight with no visa. Like say the man don't know better than that. When them don't know say it's just a connect flight and it's a small incident, slight pushback for a major outcome. Yeah. Only if them know say who God bless no man curse. Right now, Colaz Smith out here are the great things in Jamaica. Colaz Smith loved by the whole world, and you can already see that. So right now, just say a year time and Colaz Smith go up at embassy. God does bless the virgin and shame them while them a spread false rumor. The man get the wings where the whole of them a try bad mind and stop. Now people you see say what fear. Now look at that, the man never did that forward at the US. Or somewhere else the man a try to go. But only is a slight setback because it's a connected flight. Only it a connect to US to go where you want to go. So look at that. When you try to disgrace a man and it only work out in the favor where you never want it to turn out in a wonderful, wonderful. So shout out to Colaz Smith TV and the whole team. And as you can see, Colaz Smith I show you say right now, him about to tour the world. Even in Brazil, the man I show you say him go visit the statues and I show you about some histories where I'm about to present to you. So big things, big up yourself. We're proud of we Jamaican for see. We see a lot of people traveling the world from all over the world, but for see one Jamaican and do it, we have to say yes. And this just show you say you do the right thing and you can have great results. Big up to Colaz Smith. We switch part Colaz Smith I bring the whole line bridging them with him. As you can see, the man I show you say him no make feelings get in him thing. Him do what's right. And people, Colaz Smith is a big example of how we need to see we younger generation them are forward and spread the love and the positive things on the island so people can look in and say yes, at least some young youth are do something great, positive with people attract to and it's something interesting and people are show you respect and you can hold up your head in the community and know say yeah man, yeah do something great as a young youth. Because enough youth, them not really want to do nothing positive. Make we keep it 1,000, you see me? Yeah man, it's a greatness. And this is an inspiration to everybody. I hope people look and realize say, yo brother, and I just video up on YouTube. You have to know say a man make an honest living. You see me? And not only that, the man can go as well as employed people, change them life. You see me? These things, Virgin, for one young person, open me eyesight and realize, yeah, you me, is a way out of here. Where we not figure, work for your next man, we can build one thing and be great. You see the man still, even though them are 8, the man still a big up the 8 of them, the man still a encourage people and say, yo, just take out your phone. Even if you start out and don't know what you really want to choose to be or do on YouTube, just start the channel. Because the end of the day is you have to start if you know what you're going to do. And you have to start get where you want to go. So the whole goal is bridging just start something. Whether you're going to talk about sports, you talk about artists, and talk about movie. You don't even have to show your face if you don't want to. You understand? You can vlog about your life. You can vlog about anything. You have content where you can help people. That's what the man I show you. Say anything you want to do, virgin, reach your goals. You see me? And that's why in a certain content, me myself always I tell people say, bro, go and get your money. It out there. Make we get it, man. Big up Colaz Smith, man. Big inspiration. It's people like Colaz Smith, you know, inspire me to take this YouTube thing serious and actually make a career out of it. You understand? And it's wonderful for him share certain stories. Like say, even if you tell us say him start him channel doing music and him still leave him videos up there for remember where him start from. Cause a lot of people start out and them shy out and delete them content cause them probably embarrass at certain things cause it never take off. Where me if not show you say how long him a do content and it never take off and him never give up on himself. Him just say look, you might go start and refresh and then you get to it. So sometimes you do a thing and if that not work, that no mean say you're not smart. That no mean say you're not gonna make it. It only means say you need to look at what you want to do some research and approach it different. Nothing wrong with trying something else. It's a billion things that you can do on this one platform. That's the most amazing thing, cause most platform you only could do limited things. On this platform you could speak about anything you can, anything you want to do. You know what I mean? Content wise, you could do it on YouTube. So I think everybody right now should start a channel and try to start make some honest money. Real talk. I don't know where you wait for. So people, you see even what here with the ground God situation where people are bash Colaz Smith, right? And you see it work out back same way, right? Where God still a show the virgin blessings, right? That means say Colaz Smith a do something wonderful in a God's side. Yeah, it's a blessed virgin. Keep on do the right thing. You see Colaz go around and feed people, help people. You understand? And that just show you say how amazing YouTube is. And the reach where you can get on YouTube and the support by just connecting with your audience. You understand? There's a lot of people life a change on YouTube. I'm want to be one of them people where my life as well change on YouTube. You know? We have to keep the positive things in the existence so we can manifest these things. Yeah. So it's good to see Colaz Smith spread the positiveness and we have to just keep on speak on the greatness. So to my brothers them, my Jamaican black brothers, we don't need to call nobody a foreign no more and I beg them nothing. We can take out a phone and start work. Make we get to work. Jamaica is so beautiful. The world gravitate to Jamaica. Jamaica is a big content when you look on it. Just think on it from a positive. The whole island is all content. Content, you know, not continent, you know. Okay. It's all content because we are talking about putting content on YouTube. Alright? So we could get that straight. And big up my people them too. Do what's right, support the channel. Please may I ask you and you know, spread the love. Press the like button there, subscribe, turn the notification on. Yeah, and as what may I say right now, YouTube need content. People need to see wonderful Jamaica. You understand? Notice when Colaz Smith and Drizzy walking TV, bother cat them forward pan the river them video they go viral. It's many more beautiful places in Jamaica we need to get highlighted. So if you know some unknown places in Jamaica when I really get too much views and people need to see these places, where you wait pan, get to work. You can just be the next big thing forward from the island. Have a think positive. Get to work. That's the main thing. Stay focused and take out your phone and start record.